Hello everyone, myself Professor Shamal Patil. Welcome to Management Accounting class. Today we will be solving one more 5 marks problem on common size income statement. Okay, this is problem number 8. I will read the problem first. From the following data, prepare common size income statement. Okay, and these are the two income statements, and with the help of these two income statement we have to prepare what common size income statement for the year ending 31st March 2018 and in 2019. Okay, so what are the details are given in the income statement? There is net sales, cost of sales, other expenses, other income, and income tax. Okay, so write solution and write the heading common size income statement for the year ending 31st March 2018 and 2019. Okay, draw a statement for 10 to 15 lines with 4 amount column. Okay, including particular 5 column. Heading in particular, first write the heading continuing operations. Okay, this format will remain same only. Continuing operations. In that continuing operations, first one is revenue from operations. Revenue from operations are nothing but net sales. What is the net sales for the year 2018? It is 15 lakh. Okay, and for 2019 it is how much? 20 lakh. Okay, 2019 it is 20 lakh. Now here percentage for 2018 is 100 and 2019 also is 100. Why? Because here net sales is nothing but revenue from operations, and when you prepare income statement, the common base will be taken as net sales and remaining other items of income statement will be compared with the net sales. Okay, therefore the percentage of net sales will be 100. Okay, I hope you are clear with this. Next one, other income. Now check in the problem if there is any other income the firm has. Yes, how much? 20,000. So write the amount of other income. In 2018 other income is 20,000. So write here 20,000. Okay, now calculate percentage. Okay, here also first we'll write the amount. 2019 other income is 5,000. So right here amount is 5,000. Okay, now we'll calculate percentage. First is 2018. What is the formula to calculate percentage? As sales is common base. Okay, so we have to calculate percentage to sales. What is the formula? Concerned item of income statement divided by net sales into 100. So this is the formula. Now here we are calculating percentages for other income. Okay, first we'll calculate for 2018. What is the other income in 2018? It is 20 lakh. Okay, so concerned item is other income. Amount of other income is 20,000. Sorry, it is 20,000 divided by what is the amount of net sales? Net sales in 2018 it is 15 lakh. Okay, it is 15 lakh. So 20,000 divided by 15 lakh into 100 is equal to how much? 1.33 percentage. Okay, 1.33 percentage. Understood? 20,000 divided by 15 lakh into 100 is equal to 1.33 percentage. Now same percentage you write over here, 1.33 percentage. Okay, now for 2019 we have to calculate. Okay, for 2019 we have to calculate. What is the amount of other income in 2019? It is 5,000. So 5,000 divided by 20 lakh into 100 is equal to how much? 0.25 percentage. How much? 0.25 percentage. I hope you have understood the calculation of percentage. Formula is consent item of income statement. Now here consent item is other income, okay, divided by net sales into 100. Now put the values into this formula. We are calculating percentages for other income. So first 2018, what is the amount of 2018? Other income is 20,000. So 20 consent item amount is here 20,000 divided by 15 lakh into 100 is equal to 1.33. Okay, and here in 2019 it is 5,000. So 5,000 divided by 20 lakh into 100 is equal to 0.25 percentage. 0.25 percentage. Okay, now all the information we have taken, find out the total revenue. Okay, find out the total revenue. Total revenue is nothing but revenue from operations plus other income. Revenue from operations is how much? 15 lakh plus other income is 20,000. So 15 lakh 20,000 is the total revenue. Okay, now find out the percentage. 15 lakh 20,000 divided by 15 lakh into 100 is equal to 101.33 percentage. Okay, so all the items, one shortcut I will tell you, all the items of income statement will be divided by with the common denominator. This denominator is nothing but your net sales. Okay, so 20,000 divided by 15 lakh, you will get the amount of other income. Now here total revenue how much? 15 lakh. We have to find out the percentage of 15 lakh 20,000. So the 15 lakh 20,000 divided by revenue from operations how much? 15 lakh. So divided by 15 lakh into 100 is equal to 101.33 percentage. Okay, now find out total revenue for the year 2019. 20 lakh plus 5,000, it is 20 lakh 5,000. 20 lakh 5,000. And what is the percentage? 20 lakh 5,000 divided by 20 lakh into 100 is equal to 100.25 percentage. Okay, 100.25 percentage. Now we need to find out the profit, but before we find out the profit, first we need to know the expenses. Okay, now find out the percentage of expenses. First one is cost of sales. Now check out whether the firm has cost of sales. Yes. Okay, cost of sales how much? 10 lakh. This format I have taken considering the information available in the problem. Okay, sometimes the format may extend if there is more information is given. As this problem is for 15 marks only, limited adjustment, limited items will be given in the income statement. Okay, now we have to find out percentage for cost of sales. Amount of cost of sales is 10 lakh. So we have to find out percentage. How we can find out the percentage? Here concerned item is cost of sales. So cost of sales divided by net sales into 100 is equal to how much? 66.67 percentage. Okay, now next one is cost of sales for the year 2019. How much is the cost of sales for the year 2019? Here it is 12 lakh. So write here first amount 12 lakh. Now find out the percentage. 12 lakh divided by 20 lakh. Why? Because it is the base. So 12 lakh divided by 20 lakh into 100 is equal to 60%. Is equal to 60%. Okay. Next one. Net sales is over. Cost of sales is over. Next one, other expenses. Okay, now take the amount of other expenses here. How much? 1 lakh. Right in front of other expenses 1 lakh. Okay, percentage 1 lakh divided by 10 lakh into 1 lakh divided by 15 lakh into 100 is equal to, how much is the percentage? 6.67 percentage. Okay, 1 lakh divided by 15 lakh into 100 is equal to 6.67 percentage. Okay, next one is 2019. What is the amount of 2019's other expenses? It is 2 lakh. It is 2 lakh. Okay, first write the amount, 2 lakh. Okay, now 2 lakh divided by 20 lakh into 100 is equal to how much? 10 percentage. Okay, 10 percentage. 2 lakh divided by 20 lakh into 100 is equal to 10%. Okay, next one is total expenses. Now find out the total expenses here. How you will find out total expenses? Cost of sales plus other expenses. Cost of sales is 10 lakh plus other expenses how much? 1 lakh. So total is 11 lakh. Total is 11 lakh. What is the percentage? 11 lakh divided by 15 lakh into 100 is equal to 73.34 or 33 percentage. 73.33 percentage. Okay, next one, 12 lakh plus 2 lakh. Total is 14 lakh. Total expenses how much? 14 lakh. 14 lakh divided by 20 lakh into 100 is equal to 70%. How much? 70%. Okay. Now we have calculated revenue from operation, that is total revenue, and total expenses. With the help of these two, we can calculate what? Profit before tax. Okay. Profit before tax is nothing but what? A minus B. A is how much? 15 lakh 20,000. B is how much? 11 lakh. So how much is the amount of profit before tax? It is 4 lakh 20,000. 4 lakh 20,000. Okay. Next one, percentage, 4 lakh 20,000 divided by 15 lakh into 100 is equal to 28%. Is equal to 28%. Okay. Next one, 20 lakh 5,000 minus 14 lakh is equal to 6 lakh 5,000. 6 lakh 5,000. 6 lakh 5,000 divided by 20 lakh into 100 is equal to how much? 30.25%. 30.25%. Okay. Now next what? We have to find out profit after tax, that is net profit we need to find out. Before that we need to deduct income tax. Now check in the problem whether income tax is given. Yes. How much is the income tax? 80,000 for the year 2018 and 1,20,000 in the year 2019. Okay. So right here 80,000 income tax is 80,000. 80,000. Now percentage, 80,000 divided by 15 lakh into 100 is equal to 5.33%. Okay. 80,000 divided by 15 lakh into 100 is equal to 5.33%. Now find out percentage for 2019. Okay. Income tax how much here? 1,20,000. Here you can check. Income tax for the year 2019 is how much? 1,20,000. Okay. So write here the amount 1,20,000. Percentage, 1,20,000 divided by 20 lakh into 100 is equal to how much? 6%. Is equal to how much? 6%. Okay. Now last one is profit after tax. Profit before tax how much? 4,20,000. Income tax how much? 80,000. So 4,20,000 minus 80,000, balance is 3,40,000. Balance is 3,40,000. So 3,40,000 divided by 15 lakh into 100 is equal to 22.66%. 22.66%. Okay. Next one. Profit before tax is how much for the year 2019? 6,05,000. And income tax how much? 1,20,000. So 6,05,000 minus 1,20,000, balance is 4,85,000. Balance is 4,85,000. Okay. So 4,85,000 divided by 20 lakh into 100 is equal to 6%. Is 6%. Okay. So this is the common size income statement. Okay. I hope you all have understood. In the next class, we will be solving one more problem on common size income statement, and then we'll go for the calculation or the preparation of common size balance sheet. Okay. Thank you.